Hi everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to create a fire effect from text. First, create a new solid color background. Choose black as the background color. Then, type your text in the middle. I will type fire. Make sure the text is not too large. We need plenty of space around it. Next, select the font you want to use. I think I'll stick with the one I already chose. Now, right-click on your text layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Make sure to align your text to the composition. Click on your fire text layer, then go to Filter greater than Blur Gallery and select Path Blur. Here, we will set the direction of the fire effect. Let's make the fire move from the bottom left to the top right with a slight bend. Increase the taper to around 30% and set the speed to approximately 300%. Uncheck Edit Blur Shapes and adjust the blur settings. A taper of 30% looks good. Maybe increasing the speed slightly would enhance the effect. You can change the direction as you prefer. Once you're happy with it, press OK. Next, duplicate your fire text layer by dragging it down to the new layer icon. Right-click on the Smart Filter and select Clear Smart Filters. Now, group these two layers into a folder and name it Fire. Select the new fire layer and go to Filter, greater than Blur, greater than Gaussian Blur. Set it to around 7 pixels for a nice effect. Next, go to Adjustment Layers and select Gradient Map. Double-click on the gradient and choose an iridescent gradient with 5 colors. Adjust the colors as follows. Set the first color to black, the second color to a deep red, the third to orange, the fourth to yellow. Finally, use a very light yellow for the last color. And there you have it. Your fire effect is complete. Press Command+T to resize your effect and position it as needed. You can always go back to the Smart Filter and adjust the blur settings to tweak the fire's direction and intensity. Have fun experimenting with different styles. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. See you next time.